Hi, I'm Nick from Heath, and this is Qu-Pac, an ultra-compact rack-mountable digital mixer. And it's the perfect portable mixing solution. You can carry it around in a carry bag, or you can mount it in a fly case, in a small compact fly case. And it's perfect for bands who want to travel light. So it can mix an entire show. You can run the show off an iPad with our Qu-Pac iPad app. It's got also a QU personal monitoring phone app, which gives up to 8 musicians control over their own mix. But the uniqueness of Qu-Pac is with the front panel control, which gives full access to all the parameters and settings. There's a touchscreen control, color touchscreen, which gives you channel selection, level control, PFL, mute, as well as access to scenes and preset management, effects control, full processing, including gate, parametric EQ, and compressor for all of the inputs, and a graphic EQ on top of that for all of the outputs. And there's also a Q control screen, which is a new view, where we can customize the level of access for day-to-day operations in an install, for example. So you can have some widgets, which we can set up on the screen, which give just some source selection or level control of background music into one or multiple zones. And the mixer can be locked down to that single view. So imagine in an installation, a bar attendant or day-to-day operators can have a very limited access to the functions of the mixer. And on top of that, we have 15 soft keys, which again can be assigned to any functions like a preset recall or a tap tempo or source selection. 16 channel select keys, which can be customized to select any combination on input outputs on the mixer. So really in an installation you can have this kind of very basic access control, and then if you occasionally have live music or a more complex show, you can obviously run the iPad app, which gives you comprehensive control over the faders and processing for live mixing. On the back of Qu-Pac, we have 16 mic line inputs. We have 3 stereo inputs, 10 mixes plus left and right. So exactly the same I/O as our Q16 digital mixer. The difference here is that Qu-Pac has the brain of a Q32 console. So you can actually expand the number of inputs and outputs by running a Cat5 D-Snake cable into one of our stage boxes, like the AB16-8 here. And you can run up to 2 AB16-8 on Qu-Pac to get up to 38 remote inputs from the stage. Qu-Pac is also compatible with the great features of our Q series, such as the Mi One personal mixer, which can mix up to 40 channels coming from the Cat5 connection from the D-Snake port of the mixer. And it also comes with a 32 by 32 USB interface on the back for Mac or Windows PC applications, and with Q Drive, which gives the ability to record and play back stereo or multi-track material straight into a USB drive or key. So this is QU, which is a personal monitoring app for iPhones, and it's part of the range of accessories and control options for Qu-Pac and the rest of the Q series. And it gives musicians control over their own mix. You can run up to 8 of these apps on iPhones on the stage, and each one can be customized to offer 4 wheels, which gives you relative control over groups of channels, like my drum kit, my keyboards, backing vocals, and my own channels, and a master control for the level.